Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the obd2 code 420. So in this video, we're going to be going over what this code means, what the symptoms are, what causes the code to come on, and then how you can fix it. Okay, so first things first, let's go ahead and define what this code means. The code p0420 is the catalytic converter efficiency below threshold. Now, this code is a generic code, which means that it's going to apply to a wide range of vehicles. The code p0420 is a trouble code that S triggered when the vehicle S onboard diagnostics. System detects that the catalytic converter is not working properly, or the efficiency is below a certain threshold. Basically, the computer in your car is able to tell if the catalytic converter is working properly, based on the amount of oxygen in the exhaust. Now, if there's too much oxygen in the exhaust, the catalytic converter isn't working properly and it will set this code. Now, the symptoms for code p0420 can vary depending on the vehicle. However, some of the most common symptoms are a check engine light, a decrease in fuel economy, and the vehicle may also drive fine or it may also have a misfire. Now, the causes of code p0420 can also vary depending on the vehicle. But some of the most common causes are a faulty catalytic converter, a bad oxygen sensor, a leaking exhaust, and a malfunctioning ignition system. Now, before we get into the fixes, if you guys could take a second out of your day to like this video, it really helps my channel out a lot. And if you want to learn more about your car and get more codes and their definitions, go ahead and subscribe to my channel down below. Now, one of the easiest and most effective fixes for a p0420 code is to replace the catalytic converter. If the catalytic converter is the problem, it will solve the issue. However, if it's not the catalytic converter, then you might want to consider replacing the oxygen sensor. A bad oxygen sensor can cause the vehicle to run rich or lean, which can lead to a p0420 code. Replacing the oxygen sensor should resolve the issue. Another thing you can do is check the exhaust system for any leaks. A leak in the exhaust system can cause a p0420 code because it allows unburnt fuel to enter the exhaust stream, which can trigger the code. Repairing any leaks should resolve the issue. If you have a misfire, you need to fix the ignition system. A misfire can cause a p0420 code because it allows unburnt fuel to enter the exhaust stream, which can trigger the code. Repairing the ignition system should resolve the issue. Now, some of the related codes that you might want to check out are p0430, p0031, p0032, p0136, p0134, p0135, p0138, p0140, p0141, p0142, p0149, p0153, p0154, p0155, p0158, p0160, p0161, p0162, p0169, and p0456. So hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, please hit that like button and leave a comment down below.